Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend coverage ratio and measuring dividend safety. To begin with, the dividend coverage ratio shows how many times a company can pay its dividend from its earnings. In simple words, it helps investors understand whether a dividend is well supported or whether the company may struggle to keep paying it. Generally, higher coverage means the dividend is safer. Next, the basic formula is very simple. Dividend coverage ratio equals earnings per share divided by dividend per share. Another way to calculate it is net income divided by total dividends paid. This ratio connects company profit with the amount paid out to shareholders. First, we find the company's earnings. This is usually shown as EPS, or earnings per share, in the company's financial report. For example, if a company earns $4 per share, then EPS is $4. After that, we find the annual dividend paid per share. This is called DPS, or dividend per share. For example, if the company pays $1.50 per share as dividend, then DPS is $1.50. Now, we calculate the ratio. We divide $4 by $1.50, which gives us 2.67 times. This means the company's earnings cover its dividend about 2.67 times. Then, we need to understand the result. If the ratio is below 1.0 times, it may be dangerous because the company is paying more in dividends than it earns. If it is between 1.0 and 1.5 times, coverage is weak. If it is between 1.5 and 2.5 times, it is usually reasonable. And if it is above 2.5 times, dividend safety is generally stronger. Furthermore, this ratio matters because it helps investors assess dividend safety, understand whether the company can maintain payouts during difficult periods, and compare different income stocks more clearly. However, the dividend coverage ratio should not be used alone. Investors should also check cash flow, debt level, payout ratio, industry stability, and earnings trend before making any conclusion. For example, Company A has EPS of $5 and DPS of $2, giving a coverage ratio of 2.5 times. On the other hand, Company B has EPS of $2 and DPS of $1.80, giving a coverage ratio of only 1.11 times. Therefore, Company A appears to have safer dividend coverage. In conclusion, a higher dividend coverage ratio usually means the dividend is better supported by earnings, but it is always important to confirm it with cash flow and overall business quality. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.